of the Goa Forward Party. Who benefits, who doesn't? How do you view it?
See, the parties which are coming from Delhi and Bengal should understand that Goa is not a testing laboratory. First of all. Second, the way the TMC is working here, it is not the TMC which is on the ground here. It's that the company which they have hired, the IPAC which is moving around, trying to purchase people, trying to poach leaders from the party by offering huge sum of bribes, money. This doesn't work in Goa. They should remember that, Goans are not fools. And TMC will come to know what is going to happen once the results are out. They should understand this first with regards to if with the poaching which they have started in Goa. With regards to our ally Congress, I'm sure that Congress is tries to project new faces, and with the way they have brought in new faces this time, they have also got more than 30 seats which are vacant right now. And with new faces, I'm sure that the Goa Forward along with Congress will gain an absolute majority in the state. And people of Goa don't like...
No, sir, but yesterday or day before, I'm told, the Congress working president of Goa went to the airport, he bought a ticket, he boarded the flight, went to Kolkata and joined the Trinamool Congress. So, you're talking about all these things, but the fact is the Trinamool Congress has taken a significant number of people into its midst. Won't these leaders transfer their votes also?
Arnab,
was he bought?
No.
Was he bought?
Arnab,
no, sir, you tell me, was he bought?
Arnab, the people are not fools. The leaders who are jumping will come to know what will happen when the results are out.
What will happen?
The way IPAC is working, here, the way they are trying to, buy out people. I myself received a call from the Law Minister of Bengal, Mr. Maulay Ghatak, maybe a couple of months back, saying, "Aap aa jao." I've clearly told him that I'm not for sale. So this is the type of,
But that's okay. If he called you, he didn't try to buy you.
No, they're trying to offer...
Arnab, this is very serious. I have to come in.
One minute, we're getting a counter here now. 1 minute. Durgadas Kamath of the Goa Forward Party General Secretary makes a charge. The Trinamool Congress spokesperson jumps into the debate. He wants to respond. Atishi, Tuhin watching keenly. Savio smiling. Om Prakash Mishra responding. Yes, sir. Mr. Mishra.
Goa Forward Party allied with the BJP after the last time election. If they were purchased by the BJP, now they were holding talks with the Trinamool Congress. Their leader met with our leader, Mamata Banerjee ji. Now they have aligned with the Congress party. Have they been purchased by the Congress party?
Okay.
We are getting quite strong.
Okay.
We have actually tied up with the most important of the parties of Goa, Maharashtrawadi Gomantak Party. Griha Lakshmi scheme has created a wave in favor of the Trinamool Congress. We are robust. We are strong. We are committed.
Sir,
we are very much determined to prove our point.
May I come in here?
Of course, I agree that people will decide. So why Kejriwal ji is talking like a political astrologer?
Atishi.
Party, you are mentioning Maulay Ghatak ji speaking to you. Did he offer you money?
Did he offer you money? He asked tonight. Did he try to bribe you? He asked tonight.
Do you have any proof? This is very serious. I want to protest. Who is this person from the Goa Forward Party making this charge? He is saying
serious charge tonight.
Was a proposition made to him.
Why are you getting hyper?
Therefore, this nonsense must stop.
Major charge put, counters being given. I think 1 second.
Why are you getting hyper?
Her point. She has not been able to come up with anything.
Has it hurt you?
Don't try to fool the people. People will decide in the election time. Don't try to jump the gun. Don't try to jump the gun. Of course, I agree that people will decide. Let the people decide. Trinamool is there and Trinamool is going to the...
Okay, viewers, now Durgadas Kamath.
Let the people of Goa decide.
Viewers, unexpected twist to my debate.